A front yard is the first impression of any home. It's not just a space, it's a statement about style, personality and functionality. Designing this area can elevate the overall appeal of your property, turning it into something extraordinary. The layout of a front yard should balance beauty and practicality. Adding a small flower bed with seasonal blooms can inject vibrant colours into the space, ensuring the yard looks lively throughout the year. Water features like fountains or small ponds are also popular choices. They add a calming effect and act as a focal point. Even a compact fountain can elevate the space, especially when paired with plants or decorative stones around the base. The sound of trickling water creates a relaxing environment for both the homeowners and visitors. To ensure everything ties together, the choice of colours is key. Neutral tones like whites, greys and beiges give a modern feel, while brighter colours like yellows and reds add energy. Balance is essential, so choose colours that harmonise with the house's exterior. Plant arrangements also play a significant role. Incorporate a mix of shrubs, ornamental grasses and flowering plants to create layers. Taller plants towards the back and shorter ones in the front provide depth. Borders and edges are details that should not be overlooked. Neatly trimmed hedges, stone edges or metal borders give a polished look to the entire yard. These elements not only add definition, but also keep mulch and plants in place. Seating areas in a front yard can offer a functional yet stylish addition. A small bench or a couple of chairs placed strategically can create a cosy corner. For homes with a larger space, a pergola or an arched trellis can define the area and provide some shade. Another design element is incorporating vertical layers. This can include trellises, climbing plants, or even a green wall near the entrance. These features are particularly useful for smaller spaces as they add greenery without taking up much ground space. Pathways leading to the main entrance should not just be functional, but also appealing. A slight curve can add visual interest, while straight pathways create a more formal and structured appearance. Don't forget the importance of seasonal maintenance. Regular upkeep ensures the space looks fresh year-round. Pruning, mowing and replacing dead plants can go a long way in keeping the yard vibrant and inviting. Adding mulch or gravel around plants not only enhances their appearance, but also helps retain moisture and control weeds. If there's extra space, incorporate additional features like a small garden sculpture, bird bath, or even a mailbox that complements the design. Lastly, privacy can be maintained without compromising on style. Use hedges, decorative screens, or tall plants to shield the area from prying eyes while maintaining an open and welcoming feel. With thoughtful planning and design, a front yard can become more than just an outdoor area. It can set the tone for the entire home and leave a lasting impression. Whether working with a large space or a smaller one, there are endless possibilities to create something truly unique. And here's a little secret. Dimmable options give you control over the ambiance, whether you're hosting a lively evening or unwinding with a book. Now let's address furniture. Comfort is key, but so is style. Look for pieces made from natural materials like rattan, teak, or weatherproof wicker. These not only withstand the elements, but also exude a breezy, tropical charm. Cushions and throws in vibrant colours or botanical prints can add personality while keeping things cosy. Don't shy away from mixing textures. A woven ottoman paired with a smooth wooden coffee table creates visual interest and layers of comfort. And if space allows, a hammock or a hanging chair can be the ultimate statement piece, offering a cosy nook to relax and soak in your paradise. No tropical patio is complete without thoughtful decor. If you found this guide inspiring, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a little tropical magic in their lives. And if you're looking for more ideas to transform your space, be sure to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Let's make your patio the getaway you deserve.